In this example, we're given the function p of x. We're told it represents the website's popularity rating, and it's equal to log of x minus 4, where x is the number of visits per week in the thousands. So since we're being told if a website is visited 16,000 times in a week, what's the popularity rating? Well, that means we're going to be solving for p of x, knowing that x has a value of 16. Why do you ask, is it 16? Well, remember that they are visited 16,000 times in a week, but x represents the number of visits per week in the thousands. So it'll be 16 because of that. So log of 16 minus 4, log of 12. Calculating that gives us a rounded answer to the nearest tenth of 1.1. For the next part of the question, we're asked to graph p of x. And then after that, we also have to graph r of x, which is 1/2 x minus 6. So you should use your graphing calculator to help you out here. And after playing around with the window settings, you should get something that looks like this. And it'll take you a few minutes, but you'll very carefully plot those points, or these two graphs, onto here. And using your graphing calculator, you would use your table values to help you out. So for p of x, you should get something along these lines. Slowly curving this way. And for r of x, you should get you should be getting a straight line, just like that. So we can see that these guys actually intersect at the point 14, 1. And conveniently, by identifying where those two graphs intersect, helps us answer the third and final question here. For what number of weekly visits will the two models provide the same rating? So when are they the same? Well, that's when x is equal to 14. Now be careful though, that doesn't mean that it will be 14 visits, it would be 14,000 weekly visits. And that's because x is the number of visits per week in the thousands. All right, that would be it for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.